Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge multiple cells into single cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many data or cell. Now we want to merge multiple cell into single cell. Now I am select this multiple cell. Click and drag on our mouse. Now we want to make the multiple cell into one cell. Go to the home menu. Select the merge and center drop down menu. Now you can select the merge and across, otherwise merge cells. Now I am select merge and center. Then we can see we merge multiple cell into single easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.